Hello friends, I'm Nisa Maliksan, student from the State University of Jakarta, who is currently conducting a study program, namely internship to fulfill a field work practice course at one of Jakarta 5-star hotel, the GW Marriott. After doing various procedures and selection, thanks God, I was accepted at GW Marriott as training in the pastry and bakery department. It felt really great because thanks to the prayers and blessing of my parents, I was finally accepted into one of the best hotel in the world. It is a gift to be able to learn directly from experienced chef whose knowledge will be useful for the future. At first, I didn't think that I would be accepted at GW Marriott because getting to the qualifying stage was very difficult and there were many competitors from training candidates who won to the an internship there. Moreover, the pastry and bakery department only chose a few participants because the quota was limited. And yes, I passed and I currently register and a pastry and bakery training at GW Marriott. GW Marriott Hotel Jakarta is located in the city Promen Mega Kuningan Business District and a short walk to the shopping centers. It features an outdoor swimming pool, 5 dining option, and free Wi-Fi through. GW Marriott Jakarta is a 5-star hotel located in the city of Jakarta. The hotel is located at Jalan Mega Brass Circle 1, 2. The hotel, which has 33 floors, was first inaugurated on February 1, 2001. This hotel was boomed twice in 2003 and 2009. I did an internship at Marriott with 8 of my friends, namely Putri, Ica, Jessica, Kantoni, Naza, Rida, and Acel. They are in the kitchen, front office, banquet, housekeeping, and pastry. When I first started my internship, I was very nervous because I had never had an internship before and with people with experience in person. Here we really start to be taught from zero to train. Some of those on campus have not been taught because related to the contraction of the COVID-19 pandemic. We get a lot of knowledge here with complete tools and materials so that it supports development, let alone being taught directly by well-known chefs who have extensive experience from working in the country and even abroad. During my internship at Marriott, thanks God, I always got a morning schedule, working for 9 hours from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. But if you work at a hotel, you have to accept the consequence, such as coming home 1 to 2 hours late. But I really enjoy it because the environment is cool, like colleagues and we support each other. In the beginning of the training, I had quite a bit of difficulty because my body was not able to accept it, like I was often sick. By the second month, my body had adapted to the workload. And this is a very reasonable thing considering that 70% of activities are done online at home and don't do heavy work. My house in Bekasi, I leave for work at 6 a.m. so I can get there at 7 a.m. Considering Jakarta with unpredictable condition, namely traffic jams are common. I go to work using a motorized vehicle because it is practical and efficient. Until Kuningan, the employee of GW Marriott Hotel always park their vehicles in the basement of the Ritz-Carlton Hotel Kuningan. Marriott and Ritz-Carlton are partners, namely Ritz-Carlton, a subsidiary of GW Marriott Hotel Jakarta. The distance from the parking lot to the door of the Marriott Hotel employs about 800 meters, which is quite exhausting as well as exerting in the morning. Usually during the trip, there are always guard dogs there who are like friends, one of which is the favorite dog here, Jack. Very funny uplighting. When entering the hotel area, we employees are required to fill out a form containing identity and always check the temperature before entering the hotel area. Then you may be invited to enter the hotel area. Next, take work clothes in the uniform room according to department. Then change clothes and activity to prepare for work in the woman locker, such as wearing. Then take attribute work at apron and kitchen clothes. Because the woman locker is on the 2th floor, I go down all to the 1st floor for the kitchen and get ready to work. Go into the kitchen to meet colleagues with a greeting and ask how they are, then get to work. Before work, it's a good idea to have breakfast in the morning. I learned a lot during my time at Pastry and Bakery, one of which was learning about garnish and chocolate. Initially stiff because it has not been used for a long time. Easy, here that value creativity is test. Then I also always do cake order in the morning, such as cheesecake, which in the hallmark of GW Marriott Hotel because it is famous for its delicious taste. There is also opera cake, chocolate fudge, blueberry touch, mango mousse, advocacy mousse, and many more. Besides that, I always make food dessert from various foreign country which is different every day. For example, today making Korean dishes, namely hot dog, tomorrow garlic cheese bread, and making Indian dishes such as rice pudding, sahi tuk dak, and so on. I really enjoy working here because the knowledge and experience make me enjoy and are trying to work. The fellow work here are also not stingy with knowledge. They always help until we can, even though we make mistakes several times, and from the mistake I learned a lot, so that is the future it doesn't happen again. Coincidentally, when I was a practitioner, I met the Chinese New Year, Day of Jesus' Resurrection, which is Easter and the Feast of Eid Fitri. On every important day, I always make something different, from the type of cake, the shape of the garnish, and even the effort and employees of GW Marriott Hotel in celebrating the big day. I got a lot of new things here, so I really didn't waste it. During the month of Ramadan, together it's getting better. We break our together with dishes we make to the hotel is also crowded because many people break the fast together here. So the employee also work extra every time there. It's employee who birthday we definitely celebrate and as from of love and moment here. Working with a heart, we don't feel like 2 months from now we are separated and continue our education at our respected campus. Here at first we were just foreign because we came from different culture, background, and habits. Gradually a sense of kindship was built here, like working with a team and open heart. The work feel like there. On several occasions we often conduct briefing the correct many things so that in the future it will be even better off. Doing theoretical lesson on then going to practice talks of making choco fudge directly taught by the chef, then the technique of folding croissant, and so on. Every day the texts we get are getting more exciting. At first we were just help the staff work. However, over time we got the trust to prepare the food that will be served to hotel guests. In fact, we were allowed to decorate and make product without the help of the kitchen staff. Sometimes we also feel so pleased because of the accent text. For example, when the kitchen has to provide for an impromptu party. So all training, good job, gangs. Thank you for every day, every time.